It's a new 2019 Cadillac XTS. Artfully crafted inside and out, this XTS immerses you in the experience of luxury. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, collision mitigation braking system, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, Brembo 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and front rear left and right side cameras. The Car Connection comments, "From the inside out is probably the way that Cadillac would want you to see the XTS, with a swoopier look, softer details, and plenty of smooth contouring inside, contrasting with beveled, tightly fitted metallic trim pieces." Cadillac, a luxury maverick. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Mile 1 MotorWorld Cadillac is conveniently located at 150 MotorWorld Drive in Wilkes Barre.